Most people trying to make money online are chasing one of three things. They're chasing brand deals, they're chasing getting paid by the platform like Adsense or the TikTok Creativity Fund, or they're just trying to go viral. And if you're honest with yourself for a second, you're probably chased at least one of them. Maybe you're chasing one right now. And I want you to comment down below, which one of these are you chasing and why? But the problem is, none of the three are built to actually pay you, at least not reliably. And not in a way that you can count on. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you through exactly why these three paths are terrible and the fourth path that no one really tells you about. At least they don't tell you about it early enough so that you can make the right decision, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to use some simple math to show you that the fourth path is actually the best path and the fastest path, and it's the correct path. So stick with me for about 15 minutes, and when you're done, you'll have a clear picture of how to monetize your content. Again, this is YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. And what actually works for most creators with 10 times your subscriber count. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this. So in my opinion, everybody starts with AdSense. I know that when I first got started, I started with AdSense, but AdSense is the floor. And AdSense in reality is the safe plan. You need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And in theory, YouTube flips the switch and you start getting paid, right? It's simple, it's clean. YouTube writes you a check on the 21st of every month. It couldn't get any more exciting than that. But here's what nobody tells you. AdSense is the floor for your YouTube income. It is not the ceiling, right? It's not even the plan. It's the baseline. It's the icing on the cake. It's the, oh, cool, I got a check, right? And the issue is that CPMs move up and down depending on what advertisers want to pay per month. They change based on where your audience is located, the year, the season. There's so many different variables, and you don't get to set the price. You certainly don't get to pick the ads, and you don't get to choose who sees them. Everything about how much you earn is decided by someone else, which is usually YouTube. And if you're in a niche that advertisers don't love, which is most niches, you're earning pennies per 1,000 views, not dollars or hundreds of dollars, literally pennies. And so that can be frustrating, right? And if you thought brand deals were the safer play, wait until you see what most of those actually look like, right? So brand deals feel like the grown-up version of AdSense or platform payments. The checks can be bigger, it's real money. A brand slides into your DMs or sends you an email and you negotiate a rate, you shoot the integration or the video and you get paid. Here's the thing about brand deals that nobody wants to say out loud. You don't own a single dollar of that income, and that's a huge problem. You're renting it. You are renting your income, which sounds kind of crazy. The brand can walk away at any time, right? Your inbox can be full one month and then completely empty. The way the economy is going, the brands are starting to not email as much. Your niche can cool off. 1 minute it's hot, the next minute it's not. Your content style can drift. A bad week of analytics can cost you a deal. You trade creative control for a check. You have to do what they say, whether it's a talking point or a full script. You shoot the integration their way, not yours, and the deals are seasonal. Some months it rains and some months it is a desert, right? Completely dry. And even if you're good at landing them, you need leverage most creators don't have yet. And brands, they want to see that you have an audience, social proof. They want to make sure that you have data, a track record. If you're small, if you're 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, you're at the bottom of the list and you're going to have to reach out to a bunch of brands before they even think of you. Excuse me. Brand deals are a nice bonus, kind of like the AdSense, but they're not the foundation. But you might be thinking, well, if I just go viral, it fixes everything. If I get a couple big videos, the algorithm takes over, it pushes it, the income flows. But that's not really the case, unfortunately. And this is the part I wish someone had told me earlier. Attention does not equal income. The fantasy of going viral is that one video changes your whole life. 1 million views overnight, and my most viewed video has like 1.2 million views, and you would think that I'd be riding off to the sunset. Subscribers will come pouring in and the money flows, but that's not actually what happens. A video goes viral, and what winds up happening is a bunch of people that don't really care about your channel will see your video. They came for that one video, and then they're gone in 2 weeks, or they're gone after the next video. Most of them never watch anything else you make, and if we're being transparent, my channel is picture proof of that. My video has 1.2 million views. I have over 144,000 subscribers. A lot of them came from those viral videos that I have, but they didn't come back and watch other videos, right? They came for the party. They didn't come for the person. Worse yet, if the wrong audience gets pulled in, your watch time on your future videos tank, which kind of happened because the algorithm keeps recommending your videos, the non-viral videos, to the wrong audience. They click, they watch for a few seconds, they leave, your average view duration tanks, and your channel gets punished for the thing that was supposed to save it. So that's the double-edged sword of going viral. And even if the views are good, if there's no business behind it, the attention just leaks. You're just gaining attention for attention's sake. 1 million views without a product to sell is a louder version of being broke. Attention isn't income. This is the most important thing I want you to gather from this video. Attention is not income. A small but right audience fit beats a wrong audience that's huge every single day. So if it's not AdSense, it's not brand deals, it's not going viral, hopefully you're asking yourself, what is it, right? You're asking what actually does. And the beautiful thing is you need to sell something. Sell something to your audience. It can be anything, almost anything. I'll tell you exactly what to sell. That's the whole model. A simple product that solves a specific problem, and you sell it to the people that are already watching you. That's the game plan. That's the secret. I know that probably sounds underwhelming compared to going viral. It's not cute. It's not sexy. But if you stay with me, because the math is the part that changed everything. Once you see the math and then you can start adding zeros, you can play with it on your own, you will hopefully get excited and of course watch the rest of this video. All right, so let me show you what the math looks like because this is where most people stop doubting, right? And I want to be clear about what I mean by simple product. I'm not talking about a course with 40 modules and each course is 20 minutes long. I'm not talking about a membership site, and I'm not even talking about writing a book. I'm talking about a simple product that solves a specific problem. We find one problem, we come up with one outcome, and we use one format. It's something someone could buy at 11 o'clock at night and start using it later on that day or even the next morning. And it works whether you have 500 subscribers or 5,000 subscribers. In fact, when you build a simple product, subscriber count doesn't matter, okay? The mechanism is the same. The only thing that changes is how many people you reach. And once you have a product, reaching more people is the part YouTube is already good at. That's the key that unlocks it. You create a product that solves a problem for a specific person, then all you got to do is get more people in the front door. So let me show you real quick how that math looks, and hopefully this gets you excited and you stop doubting me or yourself. So let's do some math. If we take 50 people that buy a $20 product, that should equal $1,000. My thing here isn't working, but it should equal $1,000. And in order to get about that same amount over on AdSense, you'd need about 300,000 views. So do you think it's easier to get 300,000 views consistently or 50 buyers, right? 50 people. That's not a viral number. That's not even a popular video number. That's a small, warm audience. 50 is a comment section. You probably know 50 people. You probably don't know 300,000 people. Compare that to AdSense. To earn $1,000 from AdSense, you need 3,000 views. You'll need to pull in over 300,000 views. 300,000 people. That's bigger than most cities, right? So, and then stack it. So if you sell 50 copies a month, that's $12,000 a year from one product. What if you make 2 products or 3 products? But, what if you raise the price? Or what if you get more people in the front door? Here's the line I want you to actually sit with for a second. Your audience is already worthy. Your audience is already worth money. You just haven't offered them anything yet. And that's the shift that most creators never make. The viewers you have right now, the people that already watch your videos, the ones who comment and like and nod along, they're willing to pay you. They have money. If you show that you understand their problem and you have a solution for them, they'll give you the money. And they will give you the money gladly. And you don't have to invent this from scratch either. That's the cool part. Most creators already have the raw material for their first product sitting inside the videos they've already made. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. There are a number of opportunities out there that will help you get up and running and get running quickly. And so as it says there, all you have to do is identify one problem and create a product for it. So let's say you have a fitness channel. Your simple product could be a 4-week home workout plan. That's just one PDF. And the specific problem is I have no equipment and no time. The outcome would be you follow the plan, you get a result, $20, just like that. Say your channel is about personal finance. Your simple product could be a budgeting spreadsheet with a walkthrough video. A specific problem. I don't know where my money is going every month. A specific outcome. You fill in the spreadsheet, you see it clearly, that'll be $20. People are willing to pay for this. Say your channel teaches creators. Your simple product could be a guide on writing better YouTube titles. The specific problem, my titles are flat. I'm not getting enough views. The outcome would be follow this guide and you write better titles, $20. I could actually show you, there's a channel, there's a guy out there called Creator Hooks that does this. Do you see the pattern? One problem, one product, one outcome. You don't need 40 modules, you don't need a membership, and you don't need like a drip campaign for email. It's not a business. It's one thing people will pay for. And whatever your channel is about, there is a version of this for you. I guarantee it. The problem isn't the idea. The problem really is the next part. And the next part is really shipping the first thing. This is where people fall off. Here's where most people fall off. They get the model, they see the math, they picture their vision. They even start sketching it on a napkin. And then weeks go by and absolutely nothing happens. They get stuck on a blank page. They're looking at a blank screen. They have too many ideas, no structure, no clear first move. But I actually put something together to help you out with that. It's called the offer engine. And the offer engine walks you through the whole thing step by step. You pick the product, you scope it so it actually gets built instead of sitting on your notes app for 6 months. You build it, you get it live, so you're not staring at a blank page trying to figure it all out. That's your next move, right? It's for creators who already have an audience of any size and they just haven't shipped their first product yet. The idea isn't the hard part, shipping it is. An offer engine is the shortcut. And let me show you real quick what that looks like. If you're interested, go to Platform Proof and you can see here exactly what you're getting, why it works, how to use it, how to implement it, and move forward. If you want to stop reading about this and actually have something live, that's where I'd send you next. The link's in the description. It's the first link in the description and it's in the pinned comment, right? So quick recap, because I want you to leave with one clean thought in your head. Brand deals are rented, AdSense is the floor, and going viral is just noise without an offer. The fourth path is simple and quick. You sell one thing your audience already wants to buy. You don't need a huge channel. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a brand to validate you. You need one simple product, priced fairly, $20, in front of the people who already watch your content. You can stop chasing the 3 paths that were never built for you. You just need to ship one thing people are willing to pay for. That's it. That's the whole game. Anybody that's successful is doing that exact thing. And if you want the step-by-step path to actually doing it, the offer engine is down in the description. Go build the thing.